Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Lakers from the 1st to the 5th of December 2025 on Monday. V, Mpho and Sam make progress on their investigation. Kamokhelo managed to convince his mom to help him but goes overboard. Kia is faced with the harsh reality of dating a married man. Melo tried to DIY ceremony that has an unexpected outcome on Tuesday. Melo's attempt to make contact with Pele fails, but her Christmas campaign is a success. Kia, best friends, Sochalo Ntimande's wife, despite her affair. Mpho start to connect the dot on the missing children cases. Lulu is unhappy with Kamo throwing his money around. Mkhuluma Sondo connect with Mpho on Wednesday. Jake finds out where's Pay went. Kia has a decision to make that will complicate her. Sochalo Ntimande and Azania's lives. Melo sees Dali in a session with Mkhuluma Sondo. Nokwazi volunteers to help Sam and Vuyelwa investigate the missing kids. Swazi has a plan up her sleeve on Thursday. It's Ayanda's last day at work and Gia first step into her shoes. Kamo is on a high and want to spoil Lulama, but Swazi makes a surprise appearance. Mpho is chasing the story hard and loses himself in the process. Jack feels more alone than ever on Friday. Melo decides to put Mpho first. Swazi digs her hooks into Kamo. As when he bids farewell to Ayanda, Mpho meets a couple of old colleagues. Kamo makes holidays plans in spite of Udao. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.